we played our last piece, I thought it might be nice for you to hear a little bit about the recorder, if you'd be interested in me telling you a little bit about it. So how does the recorder work? Well, you blow in the mouthpiece here, the wind way, and that causes the air to fall on a sharp edge, which is called the labium or lip. And that sets up a vibration through the whole of the recorder, from that hole to the bottom end of the recorder. And that's what makes the recorder sound. Now, the shape of that, of the bore of the recorder makes a difference, as well as what you make the recorder out of. And that lowest note, I'm going to demonstrate for you in a minute, I can't blow and use the microphone at the same time. And what happens when you have all your fingers down is you get the vibration of the lowest note, which is from that hole to there. And if you take your fingers off, then you shorten the length of the recorder, which means that the pitch of the note goes up. Now the clever thing is that that's your first register, where you're just taking your fingers off one by one. The second register is when you actually cause a split in the vibration by making a slight hole here. So you end up with a double vibration, one from that hole to there, and one from there to the end, which gives you the upper notes. And you can carry on going up to the fourth register just by splitting the vibrations, and that's how it works. And I'll just try and demonstrate that now. So the lowest note. And then, if I split the notes, you end up getting to an upper note. And then if you split it again by taking out extra holes, you go up again, and then if you split even more, you end up into a fourth register. And that's what gives you just over 2 octaves on an instrument, which is essentially just a pipe. The other thing I'd like to say, the recorder is an old instrument as well. The recorder I was just playing was a copy of a Baroque recorder, but in medieval times, the recorders looked slightly different. It's not a good one to use. With a very big bore and very straight bore as well, to give a different sound. Which is a very bright sound, and it's louder. Renaissance times starts to look slightly more like a Baroque recorder, still quite loud with a wide bore. So it carries quite a lot. We're going to go through our instruments of the orchestra now, but just one more thing. All the instruments we play today are all pitched at concert pitch, classical. A is equal to 440 or 442, but an orchestra, modern classical orchestra would play at. But in Baroque times and earlier, there was no standard pitch. Everyone had their own idea of what the best pitch was. And another common pitch that people use nowadays is 415, which is just a bit lower. Which is actually quite a mellow sound compared to the 440, which is quite bright and in your face. Now I'm going to introduce the orchestra instruments to you. Now this is a treble recorder. You may have seen these in schools, but the
play a descant recorder. In the orchestra now we have. You've got a dark line? No.
Oh, yeah. What, sorry, what do you want?
We've got a dark line. The smallest recorder that we have is a dark line, which is half the size of a descant recorder. If you just play. And that's half the size of a descant recorder, but the same fingering as it's in C. And the next instrument down is the stop ringing recorder.
You want that one?
Yeah. Which is in F. It's half the size of a treble recorder. And a descant recorder. Treble recorder. Tenor recorder. Bass recorder in F. Bass recorder in C, or a great bass. And the biggest recorder that we've got here today, the contrabass recorder. There are larger instruments still, which go down another octave in both pitches. But they're all based on either in C or in F. So if you know how to play one of these, you can play one of those. If you've got any questions, come and ask us at the end. Now for our last